How to transfer Viber into your new phone. Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you should transfer your Viber onto another phone. First of all, of course, download the Viber application onto your device and then open it. After that, tap on Start Now and to enter your phone number. After that, connect. And Viber will ask you permissions to view your contacts and call logs. Just tap on Continue and register your number. After that, go to More, and on More, go to Settings. Here you need to go on Account and make sure to turn on the Viber backup, because if you back up and try to open your Viber account into another device, all of your information and data will remain the same on the next device as well. So make sure to connect it with Drive. Tap on Continue and let the backup begin. After your backup is done, close your app and go to the app. Just long press on it and tap on the eye icon. After that, go to Storage and clear cache and clear data as well. After that, reopen the app. For now, I'm pretending that I'm opening the app in the new phone, so I have to re-enter everything. After the verification is complete, you may see that you have your data information saved into your account. So in this way, you can transfer Viber into a new phone without any inconvenience. So thank you for watching this video and make sure to like it. And I hope this video was helpful to you.